into space and lay you under. Its loving embrace must feel the thunder as it won't your face you can hold back. So let your love flow like a mountain stream and let your love go with the smallest of dreams and let your love show. And you'll know what I mean, that's the season. Let your love fly like a bird on a wing and let your love hide you till all living things and let your love shine. And you'll know what I mean, that's the season. There's a reason for the sunshine the sky, and there's a reason why I'm feeling so high. Must be the season with those love lights shines all around us. So let that wonder take you into space and slay you under. Its loving embrace must feel the thunder as it won't your place you can hold back. Let your love flow like a mountain stream and let your love go with the smallest of dreams and let your love show. And you'll know what I mean, that's the reason. Let your love fly like a bird on a wing and let your love hide you to all living things and let your love shine. And you'll know what I mean, that's the reason.
Wow. So strange.
Well, it looks like it's happening now, huh? We can't see it from up here.
Come down.
We're gonna take a short break. Appreciate it.
Whoa. It's nighttime right now. This is so strange. Like, whoa. It's like the world lost its saturation. It's the end of the world. Oh my god. Woo! Oh my god. Oh my god. Whoa, that is so strange. It's like total solar eclipse. Whoa. It's like completely dark, as if this is like a nighttime. Like, it literally feels like the end of the world. Whoa! I think the birds are acting up. Wow. Uh-huh.
이거 보면 아무것도 안 보이네. 이렇게 보면 보이는데. 지금 토탈 이클립스지?
지금 완전 토탈 100%.
그러면 이걸 빼고 봐도 되겠네. 빛이 안 보이니까.
100%.
빛이 안 보이니까. 토탈 이클립스.
The birds are saying it's the end of the world. The cloud. The cloud.
No, you're on it. Down,
Nails.
Nails.
Wow.
보인다.
Oh. It's back.
I can see a tiny slip out. There it goes. Oh, we should have taken a picture while it was out. She did? She did? Yes.
지금 이게 토탈리 또 지난 거네.
Total is over.
약간씩 편해지는구나.
Mm-hmm.
우와.